Bob, I know for sure the Ospreys were enjoying this evening weather.
Yes, you
really
know, ours
nice.
are high atop here at the studios in 10th Street and near downtown Sarasota, and they had a good time today. I tell you, a lot of ospreys are out there around town, all searching for food to feed their little ones, and this one getting bigger by the day as it looks like things are starting to move along pretty quickly there. It'll be starting to try to fly pretty soon.
I think so, at least at some point here. They caught a fish.
Yep.
And they're ready for mealtime.
That's right.
And the little one is getting bigger and bigger and
yeah.
standing up to mom and dad now.
And it happens all the time. You know, it seems like right around 6 o'clock that they catch a fish and bring it in. That's right. It's like right on time for these ospreys. And the one on the right there is Soda, and the one on the left is Sarah. We can tell by the lightly colored feathers of Sarah and the darker on the right, I believe. That's to be true. Anyway, this one, another one. Andrea getting this shot of a bird in flight, osprey in flight at Lido. Earlier today, a nice shot there with blue skies in the background, plenty of that. And look at this, white pelican still around town near Cortez. Andrea also getting this shot, sending in. These white pelicans typically come down here during the winter months, and this one may have known something because of all the snow that they have up north. He's kind of delaying that return back up north as a result of the cold air. Well, the North Jetty getting a look at this big boat coming on in with some sailboats off in the distance there as the sun was setting. Some high-level clouds coming in with Guy and the boat show in town, so there'll be a lot of boats boating around town. And this one from David as we look at the sun setting near Sarasota Bay. A beautiful shot that is. Punta Gorda webcam showing the skies clear there as well, and looks like skies will stay fairly nice on Wednesday as a result of a large area of high pressure, which is slowly moving off to the east, and this front kind of weakening it as it moves off to the east and southeast. An area of low pressure developing off the Carolina coast, continue to head off to the northeast there. Just a thin line of some showers near Jacksonville and just to near Daytona Beach now, spreading off to the west. Another area of energy will move across this frontal boundary, but that won't happen really until Thursday and into Friday. Right now, some showers well offshore here, nothing to worry about here. We'll stay clear. The area of energy I speak of now is over Texas, and some rough weather, more hail there, and also some very windy conditions causing some problems there with some trees down, even a tornado in the eastern section of that watch box. 70 degrees right now. The dew point is at 63. A nice mild evening. North to northwest winds at 3 miles an hour. And the pressure 30.06 and on the rise. The high today 81 degrees. The low was 60, fairly close to normal on both those. And looks like no rainfall to report today. We're still pretty close to average for this month. We will get some rain, some scattered showers on Friday. The rain chance is not all that high, and it doesn't appear that it's going to be a washout, but we will see some showers and a few thunderstorms possibly on Friday. Temperature now 66 in Jacksonville at 73, pretty warm in Orlando, and 1 degree warmer in Miami and Key West. Temperatures all pretty uniform right now. Low 70s all the way into Arcadia, Sebring, and looks like temperatures will stay above average tonight, where winds will be out of the east-northeast to start the morning off, and then they'll switch around right near the coast, become more westerly in time, and that will keep things just a little bit cooler near the coast. We're looking for highs there in the upper 70s, but some mid-80s expected well inland for the day tomorrow. As far as thunderstorms go, there's a chance over the next 2 days for mainly inland areas with the sea breeze front developing and pushing off to the east. Now, we'll start to see a chance for some thunderstorms here on Friday as the whole system kind of eventually works on through. It will be slow in doing so. Friday, we should see quite a bit of clouds around with a good chance for a few showers and storms. This particular model indicating some pretty big storms moving through into central Florida on Thursday and then pushing off to the east. By Friday, we'll have to watch this area right here. This is an area of low pressure which will move along that front and bring us a chance for showers and a few thunderstorms as it makes its way through. So that would be the biggest problem, and the problem time coming Thursday late and into Friday. Southeast winds turn to the southwest. 5 to 10 knots. Seas will be less than 2 feet. Now, a light chop in the bays and inland waters makes for a pretty good boating day. 76 on the water temperature. The UV index staying fairly high with lots of sunshine. Some high-level clouds moving in. Only a 2-tide day tomorrow. Low tide at 1:13 and a high tide at 5:03. And sunrise will be at 7:07 tonight. Mostly fair, warm, 64 for your low. Tomorrow, partly cloudy and warm. High of 82. Northeast winds with a west breeze in the afternoon. And the extended forecast does call for a chance for a few showers Thursday. A better chance on Friday. You notice not all that high on Saturday at 30%. There could be a few scattered showers around on Saturday, but then Sunday looks to be the best day of the weekend with a high of 82.